Namaskar. Let's explore this Natwari Tukra in detail. Let's do the torso and below, which is the tatkar or the footwork, and also torso and above, the hastaks, and join the two together to get the real essence and the real feel of a Natwari Tukra. The first ball is tigdha tigdha thai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-step movement. Tigdha tigdha thai. That's the movement. Right, left, right. From the right. On the left, tigdha tigdha thai. So we can go tigdha tigdha thai, tigdha tigdha thai. You can also take a spin, which is a 5-step spin, which we have explored in the lesson where we did a lot of chakkars together with 3-step, 4-step, 5-step, 7-step, and very many other options. Let's try this on a spin. Tigdha tigdha thai. Okay? Or you could go the other way around also. Tigdha tigdha thai. The third option is you could give a vyapti movement and still do the same footwork. The reason why I am giving you all these examples is you can then put your own ingredients together and come up with a collaboration, a choreography that suits you. Or if you are bored doing it in one way, you could try another way. So the element of actually making dance with the right principles, the right vocabulary, should perhaps start from the very beginning. Let's do this. Tigdha tigdha thai, tigdha tigdha thai. So I've shown you 3. One is tigdha tigdha thai. The other is tigdha tigdha thai. The third option, tigdha tigdha thai. Now let's stick to one. We'll go with the spin. Tigdha tigdha thai. Klan is a pushpak. Klan dha. So the footwork be kran dha. Jump, kran dha. Kran dha, katte dha. Kran dha, katte dha. Kran dha, katte dha. 3 times. Let's join the two. Tigdha tigdha thai. Kran dha, katte dha. Kran dha, katte dha. Kran dha. The third one is jump. Let this hand go up and this go down. Look at your right hand and count the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You spin. Ta, dha. Once again. Tigdha, tigdha, thai. Kran dha, katte dha. Kran dha, katte dha. Kran dha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta, dha. Now let's repeat the same thing 3 times with the music so that we get everything together, starting with the samam, ending on the sam. Go, 3, 4, 5, kran dha. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ta dha. Kran dha, katte dha, kran dha. Kran dha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ta dha.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you don't want to miss any of the videos we upload here, why not subscribe to the channel? Also, please do send us your feedback. It'll help us improve our program. Let's share. Happy dancing!